yellow belts, and all else should be at least white belts. At least they should understand what are you talking. At least they should believe in your efforts. This person is putting efforts every day. This is definitely going to help the company. If you talk like this, then he is a white belt. If he is saying what the quality department doing is an useless work, then he is definitely not going to contribute to the organization's growth. Will not call him a white belt. So there are two models exist to run your business. One is classical model, another one is Six Sigma model. So what is classical model? We have seen several scenarios where profit is price minus cost. If you calculate profit like price minus cost, that's a traditional business model. Better quality means modern technology, modern machinery, and highly skilled resources, highly skilled operators. In short, when you are expecting highest levels of quality, your product cost will be very high. That means the operational cost will be very high. As a result, product cost will also be high. And what is Six Sigma model? Better quality means better business. Better quality means better quality will give you better business. This belief is called the Six Sigma model. And what do we mean by better quality? Less defects. Less defects means how it will happen? Less variation. And then less rework. Less rework means doing everything right at the first time. And then less buffer. Keep only optimum resources. When we say less, it doesn't mean no, you keep on reducing. Keep optimum resources. What is required to achieve the desired level of effectiveness. And then lower cycle time. What is lower cycle time? Things happens fast enough. Customer places the order and order fulfillment happens in a proper pace, and then delivery happens on time. The customer expects the delivery in 10 days. You produce the item in exactly 10 days. A freshly produced product is served to the customer. That creates a healthy scenario. You are offered a freshly prepared breakfast every day. Same way, a freshly manufactured product is supplied to the customer. This is called just in time. If you want to make things just in time, your takt time should be equal to cycle time, or your cycle time should be equal to takt time. What is takt time? The speed with which customer expects you to produce. What is cycle time? The speed with which you actually produce products. If you make both equal, a fresh breakfast will be served every morning. If you serve the breakfast on the previous day, that's not a nice way of presenting the food. So this is how Six Sigma works. In short, better quality means lower cost. Is it agreeable, the statement? Highest quality means lowest cost. Completely against what people traditionally believed. Before 1980s, before the success of Motorola, General Electric, ABB, many companies, people completely disagreed this statement. Better quality means high cost. You want more quality, then pay more. People are going, spending lakhs of money for getting the black belt certificate. What does it mean? Your equation is not getting satisfied. Better quality means it should be lower cost. If somebody is charging you more, it simply means they are inefficient. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Yes, right. So now comes the new definition or new formula for the profit. It is not only price minus cost, it is price minus cost minus investment for future income and minus tax. Hope all of you agree on this. Yeah. So minus, because whatever I produce, if I don't investment for my future income, if I don't make investment for my future income, then my competitor might outperform me. So I should focus on the investment also. That's why we need to run the DFSS project. And then why should we pay tax? Paying tax is important.
So legal compliance, you need to pay.
We need to pay. Yes, legal compliance, right? So Six Sigma also assures you the legal compliance, right? If you make more profit, you can comfortably pay all your taxes. Why companies are not willing to pay the taxes? They are struggling to make profit. So we are including the thing in the profit equation itself. So far good?
Yeah, perfect, sir.
Good, right. And now there is a question to all of you. There are so